I'm noticing that all the exponential questions, for the most part, maybe not all of them, but many of them show up in this section of picking numbers. And that's really helpful. I do think you should know the exponent rules, but it's useful to see that whenever variables come up in exponents, you can use this approach. So look, we want to define the function h. The sentence before says we have a y-intercept of d. That means we have a point which is what? X equals 0, y equals d. And if you're at all confused about that, which sometimes I am, draw where y-intercepts would be. Those are values where x equals 0. Right? Y has some value at all these points, and x has the value of 0. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. 0 comma d is the point that has to work. So plug in that 0. Answer choice A gives us -3 times d to the 0 power. That's the same thing as -3 times 1, which is equal to -3, so no. So anything to the power of 0 is a 1. Answer choice A is out. Answer choice B is not even an exponential function. But, if you weren't aware of that, that's okay. We could still work it out. 3, 0, d. So again, putting the x value of 0 in, we need the equation to spit out a d. In this case, this just equals 0. Right? 0 times anything is 0. So trying out answer choice C, we have d 0 cubed, -0 cubed, which is just 0 cubed. And once again, 0 to any power is 0. I guess not once again, but once again we're getting 0. So 0 cubed is 0 times d is just 0. Hopefully it's answer choice D. Let's see, we'll have d 3 to the power of 0. Yes, this is going to work because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we have d times 1, which of course is d. So there we have it. Using a real value to solidify our work in this case. Taking this information, y-intercept of d, clarifying that we're saying x equals 0 there, and then just doing some work. So hopefully that one was illuminating.